Hello everyone, you are watching Unacademy Math Matters channel and I am your favorite educator Alok Kumar. The excitement is in the air as IITians continue to make the right noises all over the world. Far away, Parag Agarwal, an IIT Mumbai alumnus, is in the news for becoming the CEO of Twitter, while back home, an IIT rookie undergrad, he is making the headlines for being offered the highest international CTC of 2 crore plus. Now that's both awesome news and lots of money. But remember, the journey of 1,000 steps begins with the first step. You too could take your first steps. Do enroll yourself for Unacademy Super 20 Championship, where you stand a chance to get mentored by top educators in an all expenses paid bootcamp. You also get your personalized course and much more. Don't miss this chance. You could be the next Parag. Remember to enroll yourself today only. Let's crack it at Unacademy.